In which city was the 2024 edition of the Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue held? In New Delhi, option C. This year the theme is Resource Geopolitics and Security in the Indo-Pacific. The annual apex level international conference of the Indian Navy, the Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue, was held in New Delhi from 3rd to 5th October 2024. When is the International Day of Nonviolence observed every year? On 2nd October, option D. On the International Day of Nonviolence, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is commemorated. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of IL&FS Group? Nandakishore, option A. Infrastructure, Leasing and Financial Services Limited is an Indian state-funded infrastructure development and finance company. It was created by public sector banks and insurance companies. It was founded in year 1987 and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Which state has launched the Har Ghar Durga campaign? Maharashtra, option A. It is free self-defense training for young women. The campaign aims to create a Durga in every home who can confront the wretches. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla launched the campaign at the Government Industrial Institute in Kurla. Where is NATO planning to establish Northern Land Command? In Finland, option B. NATO will establish a new land command in Finland near the Russian border in 2025 to oversee northern European land operations. The command will work with Finland's army and NATO's US-based Norfolk Joint Force Command with an initial budget of 8.5 million euro. Who has been honored with the Sastra Ramanujan Prize, a legacy of mathematical brilliance? Alexander Dunn, option C. This prestigious award recognizes outstanding contributions in mathematics. Alexander Dunn of the Georgia Institute of Technology, US, received this award. The award was instituted in year 2005 by the Shanmuga Arts, Science, Technology and Research Academy. Which political party has been launched by political strategist Prashant Kishore? Jan Swaraj Party, option D. Manoj Bharti, ex-diplomat, IIT grad, is working president of Prashant Kishore's new party. Who has been appointed the chief managing director of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited? A.K. Saxena, option A. He is also chairman and MD of Manganese Ore India Limited. Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, under the Ministry of Steel, is a steel manufacturing company. It owns and operates a plant at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which country has hosted the world's largest naval defense exhibition, Euro Naval 2024? France, option B. Euronaval 2024 will be held from 4 to 7 November 2024 in Paris. 13 countries will organize their national pavilions. India is among 104 countries invited to attend this major naval defense trade show. Where was the Bapu Tower inaugurated on Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary? In Bihar, option C. Chief Minister of Bihar Nitish Kumar inaugurated the Bapu Tower at the Gandhi Maidan in Patna. Which state has become the first state to get Niti Aayog's Women Entrepreneurship Platform chapter? Telangana, option D. The Women Entrepreneurship Platform Telangana chapter was launched in Hyderabad. Where was the World Green Economy Forum launched? In Dubai of UAE, option A. The forum's theme is Empowering Global action, unlocking opportunities and advancing progress. Harpoon missile recently seen in news is developed by which country? United States of America. Option B. Taiwan received the first shipment of 100 land-based Harpoon anti-ship missile systems from US. It is used by over 30 countries including India. Key features include all-weather over-the-horizon capability, low-level sea skimming trajectory, and active radar guidance. Where has the Ayush Medical Value Travel Summit 2024 been organized? In Maharashtra, option A. The theme was Global Synergy in Ayush, Transforming Health and Wellness Through Medical Value Travel. It was organized by the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, in collaboration with the Ministry of Tourism, the Government of Maharashtra. Who has become the first woman president of Mexico? Claudia Sheinbaum. Option B. Mexico. Its capital is Mexico City. It lies in continent North America. Currency is Mexican peso and official language is Spanish. Where has the closing ceremony of the 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maha 2024 been held? In Jharkhand, option C. The closing ceremony was held at Ranchi of Jharkhand. This year's campaign focuses on themes such as anemia prevention, growth monitoring, effective service delivery through good governance and technology, Poshan Bhi Padhai Bhi, and supplementary nutrition. Which country will host the inaugural Kho-Kho World Cup in 2025? India. Option D. Kho-Kho Federation of India and the International Kho-Kho Federation have announced that the inaugural Kho-Kho World Cup will take place in India in 2025. The KKFI president is Sudhanshu Mittal. Where has PM Narendra Modi launched the Dharti Aba Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan? In Jharkhand, option C. This campaign is named after tribal icon Birsa Munda. Where has Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia launched the website for the Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav? In New Delhi, option A. The festival is scheduled for 6 to 8 December 2024. The festival will celebrate the 8 northeastern states Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura, collectively known as the Ashtalakshmi, symbolizing 8 forms of prosperity. The official website will provide updates, event schedules, and participation details. Which author's first memoir, Mother Mary Comes to Me, will be released in September 2025? Arundhati Roy. Option B. She is known for her award-winning novels like The God of Small Things and The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.